Mary Ellen seemed very pleased.
She was very pleased. It was a perfect finish to that great bathroom she's got there.
So lucky that she had the outlet, and also lucky that she had you to go shopping. What did that unit set us back?
That's about $2,700 plus installation labor.
Yeah,
I'm free. I was free though.
Priceless, of course. A lot of money.
It was a lot of money. There are some choices though. You know, that's a combination bidet and toilet unit. There is really a growing trend for people to have in these beautiful retrofit toilet seats that give a bidet function to an existing toilet.
Can you do it if you don't have powers or retrofit?
Well, it breaks into two categories. One is non-electric. So in the basic non-electric category, this is where you start right here. And this thing has a water connection like this that comes to the back of the toilet. This is how you operate it. It has two wands that drop down, front or back, but it retrofits by taking the existing toilet seat up and away. Now this comes down to here, and it comes with these covering rosettes right here that will allow you to sort of line up, put the toilet seat back in place, and now you come back down and just...
So this would sit there.
And then you'd attach it on, and then that's what you end up seeing right there.
So you make the water connection right here, which goes down to the back of the supply, and then this becomes your control for water on and off.
Simple. Now this is great, but it's cold water, and none of the features. It doesn't have the automatic lift, it doesn't have the heated seat, and all the other stuff.
So what does this cost?
$60.
Oh, okay.
So it becomes basic, and it begins the sort of the story about hygiene, sort of using water to clean.
Yep.
So then in the electric versions, you got to make sure you order it right. There's two choices for American toilets. One is round front and elongated. This is elongated. This is what we have here. And this one here has a different adapting method for the unit. It would go down onto the toilet like this, and then you'd be able to use these adapters to tighten it up so you can adjust for the different toilet. You know, every toilet tank is going to be slightly different. You want it to line up just right.
Forward, back, left, or right.
That's right.
Oh,
and so now you make it up, tighten it all up, and then the toilet seat slides onto here and clicks into place.
And this is what you end up
It
getting.
is.
And what features does this have?
Okay, so this has a simple operate, no remote control, so it has front or back bidet function, on off for the dryer.
So because it's electric and I'm seeing red here, does that assume that it warms the water as well for us?
It warms the water, it warms the way
nice.
you control that here, it warms the air, and it warms the toilet seat.
Oh, very nice, okay.
And that does require electric.
And it costs us how much?
This is $300.
That's a pretty nice feature.
Okay, so that's pretty busy. Now, when you go to here, it gives almost every function that combination bidet unit has, except it doesn't have automatic flush. It has a couple of things that people are very enamored with, and that is...
Oh, so when you walk into the bathroom...
It greets you.
It greets you, right.
Okay, and so it has all the same functions, so we can raise the lid or close the lid, and we can also raise the seat. Okay.
Yeah, can I see this?
Yeah, you bet.
I want to just check it out. So this can just, it doesn't actually mount onto the wall.
It can. It has a place to mount on the wall.
Right.
Okay. What's really brilliant is you can intercede for the water supply. So you would turn the water off, and you can really do it yourself. Adapt onto the bottom of the toilet, make your connection to your bidet, and reconnect it right here. Okay?
Right. And I'm seeing night light here as a button.
So there's night light.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There's
and I
dryer.
can adjust the air temperature. I can turn the dryer on.
Yeah.
No kidding.
You know, it seems frivolous. This is about $900 for this.
Wow, that's a lot.
Okay. Well, it's not a lot.
I guess not compared to 27,
no.
right?
And I think there's a story there. You know, it's way better hygiene, using way less toilet paper, and it's really something that once you own one and once you have one, you really start looking at people that don't have one funny. And I mean, no, it is.
How do you know I don't have one?
I don't know, but there's a story here that is really compelling to keep people in good hygiene.
All right, good. I love it, and that's very fancy. Thank you, Richard.
All right. So, hello.
Yeah,
and it talks to you.
I can't help myself. All of a sudden, I have to go to the bathroom. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.